Hello, Mr. Fry's Algebra 1 students. I'm looking at what you guys were doing today on the 9th of February. And for some reason it starts at number 2, and I'll do 2. You go ahead and try the bottom, and I'll do 3, and you could go ahead and work on 4. So let me help you out here. So what we're doing is the winning Super Bowl scores from 83 to 02 are listed in the table. Make a frequency table of the data. So we have tally, frequency, and cumulative. And all you're going to do is go through here and start marking off tallies, and then do the frequency and the cumulative last. So, you go to 20 and you put a mark. 34, where would that fit in here? In here, you put a mark. 23, you put a mark, and so on. You just go through the process, go through this whole chart here. Yeah, you should get these numbers as the frequency, and then the cumulative, you just add up the frequency, and so you should have 20 there. It's 5 by 4, so you should have 20 numbers. So you didn't. This cumulative is just to check to see if you missed any, because it's a long process. That's all you do for the first part. Go ahead and try this. All you're going to do is fill in the missing data. Okay, so you would go ahead and mark what this tally. So you'd put a 5 here, and you put a 5 here because you're just starting out. Then 12, put 12 tally marks here. What's 5 plus 12? You'd put 17, and so on. You're going to have to use some of the data up here. And this would be 118 to the 123, and for the next one it could be just 129 and above, and then you just have one tally mark, and just keep adding up your cumulative frequency to help you out with that one. You could have it probably just go, like 130 to, whatever. You're not sure. There isn't any other information. So like 130 and above, you could put whatever number you want really there. If it's by, let's see, is it by 5s? Yeah, it is by 5. So yeah, shouldn't just put any number. Let's go by 5s, 135. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, 0 to 5. Yeah, okay, that should work. Okay, moving on to the back, the number of wins for all the teams in the NBA. For all the teams in the NBA are for the 2000-2001 season have been organized into a frequency table. Complete the table. So you're just completing this table like you did on the reverse side of this page. So you're just, filling in the blanks, putting in the tally marks, filling in the blanks. So cumulative, so all the teams, you're taking, all the teams, there should be 29 in that season. And then the frequency and the intervals, I plug those numbers in. You should go, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 to fit up to 10 in the frequency. The intervals are these numbers over here, including that last number. And you just make those bars go up on the frequency relative to the interval. And then how many teams won more than 50 games? You would have 8 of them. So because between 51 and 60, there were 8 of them. And can we determine the highest number of wins for what a team was? We can't really specifically, but you could say, well, it's between 51 and 60 was the highest number of wins. It's in there somewhere. You don't know the highest. And then go ahead and try 4 on your own. You would fill in the blanks also and answer those questions just like you did in number 3. And try it on your own. Good luck.